This video presentation will help you select the right specialization in the undergraduate commerce program offered by Lady Doak College. Lady Doak College is a premier Christian institution and the first women's college in Madurai. It was the brainchild of Miss Katie Wilcox, an American missionary with a vision and passion for the empowerment of women. The college made its humble genesis in 1948, and within a short span of time, in the year 1978, it was commissioned to function as an autonomous college, being affiliated to Madurai Kamaraj University. The Department of Commerce was established in 1976 with a mission to impart wholesome commerce education to young women from all strata of society. The department had a humble beginning with one program of 40 students and presently has 6 UG programs and 1 PG program with over 1,100 students. Over the last 45 years, it has strived hard to keep pace with the changing economic and business scenario by offering a dynamic curriculum. The department offers the following programs: BCom, BCom Computer Applications, BCom Corporate Secretaryship, BCom Banking and Insurance, BCom Professional Accounting, BCom Honors, MCom. The Department of Commerce offers core major subjects like accounting, management, banking and taxation, and support courses in all programs of commerce. The department also offers 1-month summer training, Tally and e-office certification in all the programs. BCom degree program equips students to acquire knowledge in accounting, law, taxation and business principles. As the program is offered in Shift 1, the students can attend coaching classes, preparatory classes for entrance and competitive exams. It enables students to pursue postgraduate programs like MCom, MBA, CA, CS, CMA and other PG diploma courses after 3 years of study. Successful students get placed in business organizations, banks, become entrepreneurs and take up jobs in India and abroad. BCom Computer Applications program is suitable for students who wish to take up a career in information technology, business sector or pursue higher education. The program offers a highly industry-oriented syllabus and approach. There is a rising demand for more efficient accounting and commerce graduates with computer skills. Computer subjects which have significant applications in business are offered. The students of BCom Computer Applications can further pursue MCom, MBA and MCA. After completion of the course, the students can become entrepreneurs or take up jobs in IT companies, banks and insurance companies, telecommunications or audit firms. BCom Corporate Secretaryship is suitable for students aspiring to become a company secretary. The curriculum is based on CSEET in semesters 1 and 2 and semesters 3 to 6 are based on course content of ACS Executive. The curriculum is updated based on the syllabus of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, New Delhi. The students of Company Secretaryship can further pursue ACS, MCom, MBA and MCS. After completion of the course, the students can take up jobs in corporate governance and secretarial services, corporate laws, advisory and representation services, financial market services and management services. BCom Banking and Insurance is suitable for students aspiring to become professionals in banking or insurance. It is specifically designed with an ideal blend of specialization in banking and insurance to provide career opportunities in the respective sectors. The curriculum includes licentiate certificate program offered by III and IIBF. The students are required to complete one certificate course offered by the IIBF before completing the degree. They can also pursue MCom, MBA, diploma programs of IIBF and III, and professional courses like CA, CMA, and ACS. The graduates can work as professionals in accounting and finance or jobs in banking and insurance companies. BCom Professional Accounting is suitable for students aspiring to become chartered accountants. The curriculum is based on CA Foundation in semesters 1 and 2, and semesters 3 to 6 are based on course content of CA Intermediate. The curriculum is updated based on the syllabus of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, New Delhi. The students will undergo a one-semester training in an audit firm as part of their curriculum, which adds experience of pre-articleship. This course enables the students to pursue CA, ACCA simultaneously with BCom. The students of BCom Professional Accounting can further pursue MCom, MBA, CA, ACCA, CMA after graduation. The career prospects of the course are Chartered Accountant, Finance Managers, Financial Advisors, Directors Finance, Financial Controllers, Chief Financial Officer, Certified Public Accountant, and Chartered Management Accountant. BCom Honours Program is an industry-specific program which is suitable for students aspiring to become a cost and management accountant. The curriculum of BCom Honours is aligned with the syllabus of CMA, Cost and Management Accountant. The curriculum is based on CAT, CMA Foundation in semesters 1 and 2, and semesters 3 to 6 are based on the course content of CMA Intermediate. The curriculum is updated based on the syllabus of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, New Delhi. The highlights of the course include industrial training and internship, skill training, industrial visits, corporate conclaves, mini project, and CAT certification. After completion of BCom Honours Degree Program, students can pursue MCom, MBA, and CMA. The career prospects of the course are Cost Accountant, Cost Controller, Finance Officers, managerial positions in corporates, and entrepreneurship. For a holistic commerce education and to keep the curriculum updated with that of the professional institutes, the Department of Commerce has a Memorandum of Understanding with the following institutes: Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Madurai Chapter for BCom Corporate Secretaryship, Institute of Cost Accountants of India, Madurai Chapter for BCom Honours, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, and Insurance Institute of India for BCom Banking and Insurance. The department also collaborates with Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and other industrial bodies. As per the current industry standards, the students of commerce at Lady Dock College are given a wholesome curriculum integrated with accounting softwares, e-office, and 1-month summer internship. Hope this information will help you in selecting the right program and enable meaningful learning. All the best.